Hello, our project title is the TurtleSim bot and our team ID is 394. Now, first I will show you how to install XCTU and code blocks on your laptop. For XCTU, go to the link shown, which is here is digi.com. Go to this link and download XCTU on your laptop. As for simple CPP, go to this web page, the link is shown again, and you download the full version of code blocks. Simple CPP will already be integrated in code blocks in this version. Moving on to the ZigBee configuration. First, attach both the ZigBee wireless transmitters using two USB adapters to the laptop. Now open XCTU. Open two windows of XCTU. On the first window, you choose the USB serial port COM10. You click on modern configuration and you click on the button read. For the second XCTU, you choose the COM port 9. You again click on modern configuration and you click on read. I have already done so. Now, for setting up your XCTU configuration, you will see that on COM10 there is a serial number high with a number 13A200 written before it. All you have to do is copy this number to destination address high on COM9, which we have done already as shown. For serial number low, 403BF7BA, you again copy this number to destination address low on COM9. Again, you do the same for COM9. There's a number here and you copy it to destination address high on COM10, and you do the same for serial number low. To test if your ZigBee is working, now you click on terminal on both COM9 and COM10. If you press any number or letter on COM10, you will see that it comes on COM9 as well. And if you do the same for COM9, you will see that it works for COM10 as well. This shows that your ZigBee is now fully functional. So you can close XCTU and you can attach one of the ZigBee modules to the bot. Now open our zip file. You can extract the zip file to the desktop, which we have already done. So open this file. You will see that it has three subfolders, namely presentation, report, and source. To get our code running, we first have to go to the source code. So you click on source, you click on TurtleSim bot, you open this in Atmel Studio and build it. Okay, a hex file will be generated which you burn on the bot using the AVR bootloader. Once you have done that, you go back to the simple CPP code and you open the turtlesimrobot.cpp in code blocks. Alright, now here you will see that handle hport is equal to create file COM9 is here. To determine what this would be, open COM9. So for doing that, you go to device manager. In device manager, you go to ports and you'll see that you see your USB serial port. In this case, it is COM9, which is why we have copied COM9 onto our program, right? So you open program.txt. Again, we have done that. And you write whatever commands or the code you wish to write for TurtleSim here. For example, forward 10, left 60, whatever is required. Now you go to code blocks and you build our TurtleSimrobot.cpp and watch the fun. Thank you.